5, 4,
Extreme said that. It was a very good day. A lot of problems in the morning, but you know, as our friend Neil would always say, we are a team. Very serious how we come on. See it there? Very extreme. But we come for run the 10 still, but I'm after a whole heap of issues with the car this morning. Lose a belt, lose a radiator hose, you know, whole heap of issues. So we end up qualify 11th, so we decided to run the class. And it turned out good, you know, we end up winning the class. You know, the car is very fast. So coming back next meet for the 10-second class though. You know, I say, but come show you to see that? 876 straight. The straight extreme said that. You see me? So big up 8776 straight.
876 streets.